Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off journaling suggestions on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Then scroll down to the bottom and then tap on journaling suggestions. From here, if you want to switch off all the suggestions, you can tap on the turn off all and then tap on turn off all, and they will all get switched off at once. Otherwise, you can manually go into the suggestions box in here and then go through each of the items and customize whether you want to turn it on or off for activity, media, contacts, photos, and significant locations. So in here, you'll be able to turn on or switch off suggestions. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.